How to open a YouTube video. Opening a YouTube video may be very complex or very confusing to do, but if you follow this tutorial carefully, you can open YouTube videos easily. Step 1. Open a web browser. This is a very crucial step in opening a YouTube video, because if you don't have one, then you may not complete this tutorial. I highly recommend you to use Chrome in this step, but if you don't have Chrome, use Internet Explorer instead. Step 2. Type youtube.com. Step 3. Search for Bryce Lim YT. Click the duck picture. Scroll down until you see a video. Step 4. Left click on the video. I recommend you to press Ctrl W for the best video experience. Anyways, congratulations for watching this pointless video. Your reward for watching this video is a stock image of a man punching his laptop because he did not follow the steps correctly.